Siyanibingelela, siyacela ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe-a, nikhomente. Namuhla sizokwenza a-Doppler effect. The Doppler effect is applicable to both sound and light waves. It also has a very important application in our everyday lives. So, question number one. A hooter on a stationary train emits sounds with a frequency of 520 Hz as detected by a person standing on the platform. Assume the speed of sound is 340 meters per second in still air. Now, nansi indaba. Bathi la i-train, stimela, sishaya ihooter. Kukhona umuntu omile la kwi-platform. So, ngeke siyibuke-ke le nto. Nansiya i-train. Kukhona umuntu ome khona laphana kuphi kwi-platform. So, indaba ithini? Ithi leya train njengoba emitha umsindo, lo msindo lo muntu since ekhona la eduzane ne-train uzowuzwa njengoba unjalo lo msindo emithwa yini i-train. Uzowuzwa njengoba unjalo. Okusho ukuthi in this case, the frequency of a source is equal to the frequency of a listener since we position A1. Even the wavelength of a listener is equal to the wavelength of a source. Mawukubuza into kanjalo. Kwesinye isikhathi mawukutshena ngani ngi-ambulance ekutshena ukuthi umuntu ulapha phakathi. So umsindo emithwa i-ambulance lo muntu ophakathi uzowuzwa njengoba unjalo lo msindo lowo. Okay, now a hooter on a stationary train emits sounds with a frequency of 520 Hz as detected by the person standing on the platform. Calculate the wavelength of sound detected by the person. Now, Tina, we are given the frequency of a source to be 520 Hz. But umbuzo usibuza nge-wavelength of a listener. So sekufanele si-understand-e ukuthi since loya muntu emile ne-train imile nibame endaweni eyi-one, i-frequency ye-listener iyalingana ne-frequency ye-source iyalingana nobani? No-520 Hz. Mase si-understand-e leyo ndaba leyo-ke sesizokwazi ukuthi fanele simsebenzise kanjani 520. Ingakho-ke sine-formula ethi V is equal to frequency times wavelength. Ngaso sonke isikhathi loya V loya, that is the speed of sound in air. Kukancane kuthiwa ayikho le question efaka le equation kwi-final exam. Ngoba phela bayathanda iy'ngane ey'phasi. So, i-speed ubani? Somsindo emoyeni 340. The frequency of a listener, since they want the wavelength of the sound detected, not emitted, but detected. If bebefuna the wavelength of a sound emitted, bese besifuna the wavelength of a source. Since sifuna the wavelength of the sound detected, sifuna wavelength of a listener. Now, if frequency of a listener stay iyafana ne-frequency of a source, then sisolve for a wavelength, divide by 520, 520, then i-wavelength yethu 340 divided by 520. Usinikeza lokho u-0,653 meters. I-wavelength iyafana ne-distance. You in meters. Now, calculate the wavelength of the sound detected by the person when the train moves towards him or her at a constant speed of 15 meters per second with a hooter still emitting sound. Wavelength of the sound detected. Now, fika calculate wavelength of the sound detected ngesikhathi itrain imile. Manje sesicalculate the wavelength again of the sound detected again, but itrain manje isiza ngakuye lo muntu omile. So nansi into fanele siyiqaphele, kufanele yenzeke. Nansiya itrain iyeza. Since iza ngakuye, silindele ukuthi frequency of a listener ibe nkulu. Ube mkhulu umsindo azowuzwa since itrain iza ngakuye. Ebese since i-frequency izoba nkulu, shuthi i-wavelength of a listener yona izoba njani? Izoba ncane ngoba i-frequency is inversely proportional to what? To the wavelength. Ngoba lama-vibrations azobe njani? Esondelene kakhulu, kakhulu, kakhulu. Ingakho i-wavelength izoba ncane. I-frequency ibe njani? Ibe nkulu. Ama-wavefront, i-space between wona sinjani? Sincane. Okay. Ake siye kwi-calculation. But before sikwazi uku-calculate loya i-wavelength abayifunayo, fanele siqale si-calculate ini? The wavelength of a listener. Asike the frequency of a listener. So ubhala iformula njengoba injalo. Frequency of a listener is equal to V plus or minus VL over V plus or minus Vs times the frequency of a source. Now, the speed of sound, before substitute, ake choose kahle. Sifuna ukuthola i-frequency of a listener. Ukuze sithole i-frequency enkulu, angithi since inakhuzana umsindo uza ngakuye, nawe nje umuntu uma edlala ispeaker esiphethe eza ngakuwe, umsindo uzwayo uya ngokuye uyakhula. So towards silindele ukuthi i-listener izwe umsindo omkhulu. Okay, ukuze sizwe umsindo ube mkhulu, ngesithi sinofola the speed of sound in air. Ukuze sizwe umsindo ube mkhulu, kufanele ukuthi ake sithi lana sino 3, lana sino 0. Yeah, sino 3 ngenhla, la ngaphansi sino 0. Okay, ukuze sizwe umsindo omkhulu, kufanele ukuthi inamba engenhla ibe nkulu, inamba engezansi ibe ncane. Inamba engenhla ibe nkulu, ukuze sizothola i-answer enkulu. Shuthi ngenhla fanele kube positive ukuze sizokwenza i-answer engenhla ibe nkulu, ngezansi kube negative. Phandle-ke uma ngabe sifuna ukuthola u-FL emncane, kufanele ukuthi ngenhla sibe nenamba encane, ngezansi sibe nenamba enkulu. So ngenhla sizogcina sino-1/4, ngapha sizogcina sino-7/4. So uyabona ukuthi uma si-add-a ngaphezulu sizozwa umsindo omkhulu. Uma si-subtract-a ngaphezulu sizozwa umsindo onjani? Omncane. Since the train is moving towards her or him, fanele ezwe umsindo omkhulu. Ukuze ezwe umsindo omkhulu ngenhla fanele si-add, ngezansi si-subtract. Now, the speed of sound in air 340, 340. Now, corner stationary, umuntu listener imile. And the speed of the train is 15. Sifuna ukuzwa umsindo omkhulu, ngehla siya-add-a, ngezansi siya-subtract. Now, the frequency of a source ayikashintshi, kusawuye u-520. Sanguye u-520. So masishaya laphaya, sishaye 340 all over 340. 340 minus 15 times 520. Sithola u-5. Sithola u-5. Sithola u-544 hertz. That is the frequency of a listener, but thina sifuna i-frequency of a listener. Sifuna i-wavelength of a listener. The detected wavelength. Now, ukuze sithole i-wavelength sesizothini? V is equal to frequency of a listener times wavelength of a listener. Still 340 frequency 544 times wavelength divide by 544 on both sides. 340 divide 544 zoba no 0,625 meters. So uyambona ukuthi uyasondela. Mayesondela i-wavelength yakhona yenza njani, iyancipha isincane. Ngesikhathi emile i-wavelength beku 0,65. Manje usondela ngakuyi-wavelength yenza njani, iyancipha. Kushuthi umsindo wenza njani, uyakhula ngoba na umsindo okhishiwe, thina sizwa umsindo omkhulu kunaloya msindo onjani, okhishiwe. Okay, now explain the wavelength calculated in 6.1.1. Explain why the wavelength calculated in 6.1.1 differs from that obtained in 6.1.2. Yini-ke edala lo mehluko lo kule wavelength leya nale wavelength le? Yini edala ukuthi kube khona umehluko? Okay, athi ngibhale la ispace angisenaso. So sizothi the wavelength in question 6.1.2 is shorter because the wave front compressed as they approach the observer. Now, so ngesikhathi, okay, uma ngabe esekude ama-wavefront awekho compressed avulelekile, but nangabe eseduzane ama-wavefront enza njani? Aba-compressed, ayasondelana. So lokho kwenza ukuthi i-wavelength ibe njani? Ibe ncane. Now, siphendule umbuzo wokugcina. Sanosi isikhashanyana. Okay, umbuzo wokugcina-ke wona uthi, use your knowledge of Doppler effect to explain the redshift. Use your knowledge of okay. The redshift occurs when the spectrum of a distant star is moving away from the Earth. Is shifted siqhubeka toward the red end of the spectrum. So the redshift occurs when the spectrum of a distant star is moving away from the Earth, is shifted towards the red end of the spectrum. So we have the blue end of the spectrum, we have the red, we have the red, we have the blue end of the spectrum. So i-redshift yenzeka nini? So we have umhlaba, we have ama-stars around the Earth. So if ama-stars aya-expanda, are moving away from the Earth, kusho ukuthini lokho? If the stars are moving away from the Earth, kusho ukuthi i-wavelength yakhona yenza njani? Iya-increase. The stars are moving away from the Earth, kusho ukuthi inakhuzana i-wavelength iya-increase yama-stars. Now bayasebenzisa-ke yona i-Doppler effect uku-check-a lokho ukuthi ngabe umhlaba uya-expanda yini noma awu-expand. Ba-check-a kanti uya-expanda ngokuthi ngabe lama-stars ngo-2020 akude kangakanani nomhlaba. Ngo-2026 asekude kangakanani-ke manje nomhlaba. So if ama-stars manje sithola ukuthi asekude nomhlaba, kusho ukuthi i-wavelength yenza njani? Kusho ukuthi i-distance yenza njani? Iya-increase. Yebo indaba, ku-increase ini i-wavelength, kuncipha ini? Frequency iyancipha. Okusho ukuthi ama-stars are moving towards the red end of the spectrum. Kushuthi kwenzeka ini? If the stars are moving away from the Earth, kwenzeka i-red shift. But nasithola ukuthi ama-stars ayasondela, kushuthi umhlaba u-expand, alokhu ayasondela. Kushuthi lapho kwenzeka ini? Kwenzeka i-blue shift. Kushuthi i-wavelength yama-stars yenza njani? iyancipha, makuncipha i-wavelength, i-frequency yenza njani? Iyakhuphuka. So ilezi zinto kufanele uyibambe uma kukhulunywa ngani? Nge-red shift nange-blue shift.